Yourself.
I'm Angela Sosa Adona, 23 years old, married, one child, 3 years old. My working experience is babysitter, Miss Jocelyn Alot, 2 years old, 2 years.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To my family, to give a future to my daughter.
Okay. Do you know how to take your children?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Take a bath and change the diaper. Mm,
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
yes, ma'am. I cook Filipino food, and I willing to learn to food Chinese food.
Do you have experience in the elderly or disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What is your promise to your future employer?
I promise to my future employer, I cleanliness, I work.
What is your promise to
I
your
promise
employer?
to my employer the cleanliness to my house. I cook everything.
Okay. Thank you and good luck. Alam mo, ang promise sa amo, sabihin nyo lang na gusto nyo introduce yourself.
I'm Relat Binarandia, 24 years of age, married with 4 children. I'm university undergrad, 3rd level.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because to give my family a better life, to earn money for my children, and give my children to give a good future to my children.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of children?
Yes, ma'am. I experienced to change her clothes, change diaper, take a bath, and give her or him milk if it is needed.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Not
Do you know how to cook?
I'm not the best to cook food, but I want to learn more about cooking food because it's all I know is a simple cook food.
Okay. Do you have experience in elderly or disabled person?
Nothing, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay. What is your promise to your future employer?
I promise to my future employer to be a good domestic helper, patient, honest, and obey to the rules and regulations.
Okay. Thank you and good luck.
Welcome, ma'am.
Another. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Miss Carolina Acosta, 45 years old, married. I have 4 children. I finished 2 years course, junior secretarial course, and I work in Hong Kong 10 years, but I want to go back again.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I want to earn more money and give good future to my children.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about for the growing up children?
Yes, ma'am.
How to take care?
I take her, go to, in the morning, I wake them up and then I assist them go to toilet to brush the teeth, taking a bath, and then I give breakfast and then change the clothes before go to school.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook Chinese food.
Okay. Can you speak Chinese?
A little bit, ma'am. Siu.
Okay. Do you have experience in elderly or disabled person?
Elderly only, ma'am.
Okay. What is your promise to your future employer?
I promise to to do all my duties as a domestic helper, and I'm honest, good, and understanding.
Okay, Carol, thank you and good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, good.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn Balanay. I am 26 years old. I am married. I have one daughter. She is 6 years old. I am a high school graduate. I am working as a babysitter for almost 2 years
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
to earn money and to help my husband and my parents.
Okay, do you have experience in newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. I can change her clothes and change her diapers.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. I cook Filipino food like adobo, sinigang, and pinanihang manok. And I'm learning Chinese.
Okay. Do you have experience in elderly or disabled person?
I have no experience in elderly, but I'm willing to learn.
What is your promise to your future employer?
I will work hard and finish my contract. And
Okay.
obey the rules and regulations.
Thank you, Bliss, and good luck.